Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Indian School of Physics. Guys, this is Nitin here, and today I have come up with a very important concept for JEE Advance. It is the reflection of wave function. So here is the statement of this problem. A wave pulse is traveling in positive x direction and having a form of y is equal to f of x minus vt is striking a rigid boundary at the position x equal to a and gets reflected back to the medium. What will be the general equation of the reflected pulse? Choose the correct option. So there are four options given. In option A and B you can see phase change of pi, and in C and D some other functional form is given. So let's discuss this problem and concept here. So when a wave reflects from a rigid boundary, the medium particles at the boundary remains at rest. Because this is a rigid boundary, this particle cannot move. So we can say therefore the superposition of reflected and incident wave must produce zero displacement for the particle at the boundary interface all the time. That means once this wave is reflecting back to the medium, the superposition of this incident and reflected wave at this point for all time t must give zero displacement because it is a rigid boundary. So I can say this yi plus yr is equal to 0 for all t at x equal to a. Now this is equivalent of here we can see for reflection from rigid boundary to produce zero displacement at the interface, reflected wave can be obtained by inverting the mirror image of incident wave shape formed by the mirror placed at the boundary. So what exactly they are trying to say is when this incident wave will reach at this medium boundary, and as this wave, let's say it is entering into this medium boundary at x equal to a. So whatever part has inverted went inside this medium, the same must be coming out in the inverted shape. The reason being, here you can see the displacement from the incident wave is this, and displacement from displacement from the reflected wave is this, and these two must cancel each other in such a way that this is zero, right? Because this particle cannot move. So here the logic is that if you place a mirror at x equal to a, let's say here the height is f or some y, anything you can take. So the mirror image of this pulse, which is I'm assuming is placed at x equal to 0, this is x equal to a. So I can say its image, which is going to be the same shape, must be formed at this point, and this point is going to be x equal to 2a here. All right, and now if I invert this, this is going to be minus f. All right, so it is like whenever we have to obtain reflected wave equation, a reflected wave will be always whatever be the shape of this, take its mirror image about the junction, about the medium interface, and invert it from the rigid boundary. Then only you can see here it is equivalent of this situation, because the time in which this will reach here, in the same time this will reach at this point, and you can say it will satisfy these boundary conditions that this particle is at rest. So this is how the shape of a reflected wave we will draw from rigid boundaries. So this is towards positive x and this is towards negative x. All right, so this is the shape f of x minus vt. We can take this point as a reference, that is x equal to 0. So we can say f of vt. Here also this will become same function, f of minus vt. This is f of minus vt, and inverted of this will become minus f of minus vt. Now this has to represent a wave traveling in negative x direction. So I have written some points here. Since the shape of pulse remains the same and we are calling it as f, then on inverting its shape becomes minus f at x equal to 2a. Just now I have explained this part to you. And here you can say reflected wave is traveling in negative x-axis. It is traveling this side. So its equation will be in the form of minus x minus vt, where now I am shifting the origin to some other point. I am writing if it was a wave traveling in minus x, then I can write its equation in this form, where this x is new x coordinate. because origin I have taken at this moment here. Now this is not the origin, so I have to write equation of this wave pulse. So it will be minus x start minus vt, where I'm calling this as new coordinate system. So in this new coordinate system, I can write this equation of reflected wave as minus f of minus x star minus vt, so which is written here with respect to new coordinates. Now I want to shift the origin from 0, 0 to 2a, 0. So you can see if we shift origin from 0, 0 to h, k, x will be replaced by x minus h and y will be replaced by, new y coordinate will be replaced by y minus k. So I am shifting origin to 2a. So x star I can replace with x minus 2a with respect to old origin. So now my equation is going to be y reflected is equal to minus f of this x star is, you can see here x star is x minus 2a minus vt. So this was my equation here. So when I substitute the value and simplify this, I am getting y reflected is equal to minus f of 2a minus x minus vt. Please remember, we will not take phase difference of pi. That is valid for sinusoidal waves, and phase of pi is actually the inverted shape. So that's how these equations are written. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have learned some new techniques or concepts. If that is the case, please leave a like, share this video with others, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it. I'll be coming up very soon with another amazing video. Thank you. Thanks for watching it.